Hey Shopify store owners, welcome back to Miracle Websoft. Want to unlock some secret features that can boost up your store power and save your tons of time? So here are 4 secret Shopify features that most store owners don't even know about, but you should. So first Shopify secret feature is a metafield. Think of a metafield as an hidden data storage where you can add an extra info to your products, collections, and customers. Stuff like product care instructions, custom specs, or even a special badge. This let you to customize your store way beyond the default Shopify step. So let's begin with how you can add a meta field to your store. First of all, you need to just visit the settings on the admin, then go to the custom data on the left hand side bottom. Then you can select a custom data of a product variant or a collection on which you want to add a meta field. So I'm adding a meta field for a product. So go to the product meta field, add a definition, add custom definition. It's depend on what you are making for. Select type, single. You can choose a option for one value or a list of value. If you want to share or show a multiple options for a multiple data, you can choose a list of values option. As I want to show a one value, I'm choosing a one value. Then scroll down and save it. Now go to the admin, go to your online store, click on customize. As I have made a metafield of a product, you need to open a product template. So select a product template. As you can see, I have already opened the product template. Just go to the block of a product information, add a block of a text. We can do a code as well, but as I am saying that we are not using any code for this, a Shopify secret feature. So just go to this dynamic source connect, search for your meta field as we have created custom definition. Just click on it and click on save. As I have added my meta field on the text field, it will not show anything because we have not added any data to this meta field. So you need to open this product and add a data there. So it will be shown here. So let's go to the bottom block of product. As I have opened the admin again, go to the product section. Search for your product. Open up your product. As you scroll down, you can see your meta field available here. Then write the data. This shirt will be available with a free gift. You can add anything and just click on save. As we have added the data, just refresh your page. You can see this shirt will be available with a free gift. That's how you can add a meta field on your product page, even your collection page, or even on your home page. Now let's move to the second. As we are moving to the second Shopify secret feature. The second one is the filters. For that, we are using a search and discovery app. So let me open a search and discovery app filter. As you can see, I have already installed the search and discovery app for the filters and already added filters. So let me show how it will look like. Let me open a collection page because the filters will be shown on the collection page only. As you can see, it is already showing the filters with the availability, product type, brand, and color. As we have already shown that these are the options which are showing on the. So let me add a new filter. That how you can add a new filter. Let me open a size. Select side up products option. It will automatically show the options available for the size. You can add manually that how on which type of filters you want to show or how much filters options you want to show. But I am selecting automatically, so it will be shown all the types of filter available on the product page. And just click save. As you can see, the size filter option is added to my filters. Just go back to the collection page, refresh your page. Now you can see the size option is added. That's how you can add a filter to your collection page. Now let's move to the third one, the third Shopify secret feature, which is a shop flow, in which we made a flows. For that, you need to add a Shopify Flow app. As I have already installed the Shopify Flow app, you just need to go to the Flow app and open the dashboard. Then as you can see, I have already created some flows. So let's create a new flow. Click on create flow. Then you need to select a trigger. As it is loading a trigger, just need to add the first step. Then select a trigger, like I'm selecting a customer created. Just select a customer created. Then we need to add a flow. Then click on a plus sign. Choose for action. Then as we are making a new one, so need to add tag, add a customer tag. You can also name your tag as I'm saying and making a new customer tag, and as a new customer tag is added, we can add one more tag like Shopify premium customer tag. We can add that too and save it. And then just click on turn on workflow. Then click on turn on. After making this workflow, go to the admin page. Open your theme review. Just need to go to your accounts create an account, like I'm creating Team Jeff and gmail.com. Oh, we need to create a new account. Create a new account. As you can see, the account is created. Just go back to your theme, go open the customers, open that customer that we have created and scroll down on the right hand side. You can see the new customer tag is assigned. That's how we can create an flow and add tags according to that. That's all for today. Thank you.